Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों, welcome my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much. तो उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे माय डियर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू सो मच. तो आज हम आ गए हैं नया प्रोजेक्ट लेकर अपना. सेरम गेट आईओ की तरफ से आया हुआ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट सेरम. So Satila, Armada, Serum, Events, Bundles, Holder, Airdrop, Trading, Competition, सिंपल अर्न. सो इसके अंदर जो सारे फ्यूचर हैं एक एक करके आपको बताऊंगा दोस्तों. सो मेरे साथ बने रहिएगा एंड तक. वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे माय फ्रेंड. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome, Sunny Crypto Hunter, for follow me. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining and follow me, my dear. Thank you so much. So, Serum. Gate will launch Serum spot trading on July 10, 2025 at 7 UTC 2. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Crypto Princess. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto Princess, उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगी, ठीक ठाक होंगी. वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं सेरम की. सेरम के बारे में आपको A to Z गाइड करूंगा दोस्तों. सो मेरे साथ एंड तक बने रहिएगा. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू so much. So to reward platform user, holder airdrop, trading competition, and the simple earn will list Satila, Armada, Serum according to the timeline below. Join now and the experience to the benefits. So नंबर 1 जो है इसका होल्डर एयर ड्रॉप है, जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बताने लगा हूँ दोस्तों. तो बाकी सारी चीज़ें इसकी बताऊंगा. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वेलकम सनी क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. Welcome future 568. Welcome youngies. Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much my dear. Good morning. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome Crypto Princess. Welcome my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome Sunny Crypto Hunter. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the holder airdrop. So join now. Holder airdrop. So this is the official page. You can see my dear. This is the official page of this project Serum. Total airdrop is 2.083.333 Serum. Average holding you can see 6.89. So you can see my balance and average holding same. Airdrop reward is 4.20 Serum. So trading on है इसके ऊपर. So trading आप कर सकते हैं दोस्तों. इसके ऊपर जाके trading आप कर सकते हैं. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome Sunny Crypto. Welcome Crypto Princess. When join your live stream, I hear washing machine sound. Thank you so much for there, my dear. Welcome Roman ZL. Welcome UID. Sunny Crypto Hunter. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome Skyfall. Welcome my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So increasing GT within the individual participation cap, the more GT you have, the more airdrops you will receive. So you can see my balance 6.89 GT is my balance. Thank you so much. How are you, Sunny? Thank you so much. How are you, Sunny? Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the project introductions. Second one is Satila Armada is an innovation GameFi project that brings together strategic city building, fleet management, and the impressive Galaxy explorations and a decentralization player on ecosystem by combining high quality gameplay with the blockchain technology. Satilla Armad, giving players true ownership of their assets and the ability to earn real rewards thought Serum tokens. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook, for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. Crypto Princess and Crypto MacBook. And so in December 2024, Satilla Armored successful secure a private sale. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. So private sale in Lumen chain, capital rising 3 lakh at the token price of 0.005 per serum. In funding mark as a major milestone for Satilla Armored, enabling the team to accelerate game developments, enhance blockchain integration, and expand community engagement by partnering with the top tier bloggers like Lumen Chain Capital. Satilla Armored is well positioned in deliver a groundbreaking play to the Curie experience and build a thriving economy around space explorations and the strategic. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, and welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Crypto Princess. Welcome. Thank you so much. Crypto MacBook, welcome. Crypto I, welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto I, thank you so much. So Crypto I ने भी अभी join कर लिया. So Cherry HSU, this is the founder of this token. Cherry HSU, the founder and CEO of Satilla Armada, bring a wealth of the experience in the blockchain technology, global marketing, and the business development with the executive experience in leading roles across innovative teach. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. Cherry compound a strong technology foundation with a strategic market agglomerate to the drive of the vision and executions as Satilla Armored Web3 gaming solution. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Sunny Hunter, Crypto Princess, Crypto I, and Crypto MacBook for the comments. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear. वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस मैसेज नहीं आ रहे हैं आपके, आप वापसी जाकर दोबारा ज्वाइन करें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. आपके मैसेज शो नहीं हो रहे. टेक्निकल ओवरव्यू. बिल्ट ऑन द BSC Satilla Armored user secure smart contract for token transactions in game rewards and the governance the project integrations advance in the celebrity solution. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Crypto Princess. Okay, message is Luka Chupi. Welcome. Thank you so much, Crypto Y. Welcome back, Crypto Princess. Welcome. Yes, message is Luka Chupi. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much, Crypto Y, for the beautiful heart. Thank you so much for joining and send me a beautiful heart. Thank you so much. So token calculation status. Game rewards 40.00%, 20% release at TGA. 16-month liner visiting. Ecosystem development 20% release at the TGA 16-month liner visiting. So teams and advisor 15%, 12-month clip 48% liner visiting. Public sale 10%, 6-month clipping 20-month liner visiting, private sale, 5%, 12-month clipping, 12-month liner visiting, liquidity pool 5%, 16-month liner visiting, staking reward 5%, 16-month liner visiting. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Sunny Hunter, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. Project highlight. Statella Armored is a groundbreaking GameFi project that the combined deep strategic gameplay with the blockchain-powered ownership layered explorer Uncharted Galaxy. Welcome, thank you so much. Sunny Crypto, welcome SK Boss, welcome Crypto I. Thank you so much Crypto I for the beautiful comments and the beautiful hearts. Thank you so much for joining. SK Boss, well, thank you so much my dear for the follow me. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. So build advanced city. You can see build advanced city, my dear. And the comments powerful feed where earning token, Serum token by building impressive mission with the degeneration economics Statella Armored empower players to truly own the achievements and the shape and involving community drive token universe. So token economy. Welcome my dear crypto universal lady. Thank you so much. Welcome to join my live stream crypto universal lady and crypto ground. Thank you so much golden ground my friends for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much. So the Serum token fueled the in-game economy, enabling players to build cities in upgrade fields and participate in governance players Serum thought. Mission and staking will suitable tokens and model welfare visiting schedules ensure long-term value for the community and the investor alike. Thank you so much. क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्सल लेडी बहुत खुशी हो रही है आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम में फिर से देख के थैंक यू सो मच वेलकम बैक क्रिप्टो मैकबुक वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम अगेन एंड वेलकम बैक माय डियर क्रिप्टो आई वेलकम बैक थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग हेलो एवरीवन सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस का अगेन मैसेज आ गया हेलो एवरीवन थैंक यू सो मच रिस्क रिमाइंडर The trading market for the currency may experience significant fluctuation due to technical, legal, regulatory, and the other factor. Please thoroughly understand the project details and the conduct signifies market research before participating. Gate.io can guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on the version factors in the official listing announcement shall prevail. By participating in the project, you accept or airdrop terms and conditions. Welcome to all of you, my dear. I am good, crypto lady. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you so much. Welcome to join my live stream. I am good. Alhamdulillah. I'm बहुत ठीक. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, crypto Sunny. Thank you so much. Welcome, welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. So FAQ. So this is FAQ of this project. How to participate in the holder airdrop. As long as your GT holding in Gate accounts is no less than 1, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking or staking GT. So number second, which account GT holding will be including in this calculation? Total GT holdings in unified account, spot account, isolate margin account, copy trading account, boards accounts, financial accounts, and the payments account. However, GT crypto loans and the GT are excluded. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. Thank you so much, Crypto Sunny. Thank you so much for joining. And again, message. I am doing well. Thank you so much. Welcome, my dear Crypto Universal Lady. तो अच्छा लग रहा है आप ठीक हैं. God bless you, you and your family. How is your airdrops amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track your GT holding, taking multiply random snapshot every hour to calculate your every holding. Your final reward is based on your average holding during the entire project period. If your average holding are below 1 GT, you will not receive any rewards. Final token rewards your average holding, all participating average holding total airdrops amounts. Welcome, thank you so much. Ishrat, double seven, welcome Ishrat. How are you? Good to see you, Ishrat, for joining my live stream. After a long time, welcome Kansifar. How are you, Kansifar? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome Zen Sardar and welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome Mr. Miraj 111. Welcome UID, welcome Sarkar. So now go to the next one, FAQ. What is the per GD? Per GD is the estimate value indicated the member of airdrops token you cloud received by the participation in the holder airdrop. Project will 1 GT and the holding until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrops amount and the GT holding of all participating and is update only. Welcome Crypto Doll. Welcome. Thank you so much Crypto Doll for joining live stream. So finally Crypto Doll ने भी हमें join कर लिया है live stream में. Thank you so much Crypto Doll. How are you? Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much gate user. Welcome. Thank you so much my dear for joining live stream. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you. वेलकम एंड गुड टू सी यू. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप सबको लाइव स्ट्रीम में देखकर. बहुत ही कमाल के मैसेज कर रहे हैं आप. Why are my holding counted difference across project? The system uses a random snapshot to the calculate your average hourly holding. Depending on the when you join each project, the calculating average holding may vary in theory. If your holding amount remains constant, your average holding should be the same across all projects you participate in. Thank you so much. How are you, Crypto Doll? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, Gate user. Hello, brother. How are you? I am good. Gate user, and how are you? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Okay, you are good. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. God bless you, Crypto Doll. Welcome, my brother. Welcome, me, Crypto Trader. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो मेरे बहुत ही खूबसूरत भाई ने मैं ज्वाइन कर लिया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम मी क्रिप्टो. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच. यस माय ब्रदर, हम सबका एक ही मकसद है. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच. सो आपने आते ही सबको आजा दिया. ये होती है भाई वाली बात. थैंक यू सो मच. वेलकम माय ब्रदर मी इन क्रिप्टो. थैंक्स एवरीवन. थैंक यू सो मच. What is the individual participation cap? How are you, my brother? कैसे हो आप? बहुत ही टाइम बाद हमें ज्वाइन किया. बहुत ही गेट से लाताल्लुक हो गए थे आप, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा. वेलकम रिपेंजल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग रिपेंजल. तो फाइनली आज काफ़ी दिनों बाद रिपेंजल ने भी ज्वाइन कर लिया. Different projects have different individual participation limit. You can check the details page on the events announcement for more information. Can I participate in the multi-project at the same time? You can participate in the multi-project. How will the airdrops rewards will be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check anytime launchful, holder airdrop and the participation history. Welcome Rapunzel. Rapunzel, how are you my dear? Thank you so much for joining. Welcome me crypto. Me crypto, बहुत ही दिल खुश कर दिया आपने आज तो आते ही छा गए आप. Thank you so much for joining live stream and thank you so much for the comments. Thank you so much. So crypto भाई आज तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा रौनक लग गई है आते के साथ ही. कमाल हो गया. So now go to the official page of this project my dear Serum. आई एम ऑल्सो गुड रिपेंजल. बहुत खुशी हो रही है आपको भी लाइव स्ट्रीम में देख के. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. वेलकम फिरलन बाबा. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह फॉर एवरीथिंग माय डियर रिपेंजल. थैंक यू सो मच माय ब्रदर. वी मीट इंशाल्लाह वेरी सून. क्रिप्टो मी क्रिप्टो इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द आपसे मुलाकात होगी. So Satila Armada. This is a beautiful website and the graph. You can see the beautiful website of Satila Armada. Forge new words. You can see the new words. This is a new words. Forge new words. Command the stars. Worldview. Satila Armada invite you the lead and the investor field build fantastic citizen and the unique the maintenance of the space explorer new fantasy master customer strategic and the leave your legacy among the stars. So you can see the among the stars. This is a beautiful picture of this project. Thank you so much, Rapunzel. Thank you so much. Same to you. Okay, Rapunzel, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream and the beautiful comments. एंड क्रिप्टो आई तो फिर सबसे ज़्यादा ही दिल के खास हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. वो तो दिल ही खुश कर देते हैं पूरी लाइव स्ट्रीम में. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस की तरफ से. यू आर गेटिंग बेटर एवरी टाइम. कीप इट अप. थैंक यू सो मच. गुड वर्क. यूनिवर्सल लेडी की तरफ से बहुत ही शुक्रिया आपका मुझे बोलने का. थैंक यू सो मच. सो अभी अभी गेट वालों की तरफ से रिवॉर्ड भी रिसीव हो गया है और बहुत ही कमाल का रिवॉर्ड दे दिया है गेट वालों ने. दिल खुश कर देते हैं आपकी तरह गेट वाले भी मेरा. सो इसलिए बहुत कमाल करते हैं गेट वाले. थैंक यू सो मच. सो सटेला आर्माडा information. So crypto I check your rewards. You can see receive the rewards. Thank you. Check it. So welcome all my friends. Check it the rewards. You can all receive the rewards. So tell me. Core party partners, Sad Nights, Trading, Kartik, Community, Holders. So this is the all of future. You can see them, my dear. So now go to the next one is over game compact. थैंक यू सो मच. मी क्रिप्टो माशाल्लाह मुबारक हो. ट्रीट तो बनती है. यस माय ब्रदर. जब मिलने आऊँगा आपको तो ट्रीट ले लूँगा आपसे. और बताएं. ओके रिपेंजल ने मुझे फॉलो कर लिया. आज तो कमाल ही हो रहा है. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन यूर एनर्जी ऑन नेक्स्ट लेवल. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो डॉल. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो डॉल. सो रिपेंजल क्रिप्टो ये है न्यू स्ट्रीमर. आज से अपनी न्यू स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्रिप्टो डॉल और क्रिप्टो लेडी. सो सब ने इनको भी ज्वाइन करना है. बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा सबको इनकी स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन करके. सो दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल वे. यू कैन सी द. सो आई एम गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट वीक दिस वे. वेलकम वेलकम बी क्रिप्टो ट्रेडर. सो अगले हफ्ते या अगले महीने मैंने इधर ही जाना घूमने के लिए. सो जिसने अपनी टिकट बुक करवानी है वो करवा सकता है. So I am a tour guide. Thank you so much for. This is the next picture. You can see the next picture. This is a beautiful. So next vision मेरा यही होगा. Thank you so much me crypto. Thank you so much. Okay मैं तो लाजमी करूँगा. Crypto I me crypto trader. Yes my brother. मुझे पता है आप लाजमी ज्वाइन करेंगे. This is a beautiful picture again on moon. So किसने मून पे जाना है बताएं. What the time? गुड मॉर्निंग फैन. वेलकम माय फैन. थैंक यू सो मच. वेलकम क्रिप्टो डॉल. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. सो ये होती है रौनक जो मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर अभी लगी पड़ी है. सो कमाल ही कर दिया आप सब ने. सो वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फैंस. तो बहुत ही कमाल. देख लिया आपने सारी पिक्चर. ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. सो ओवर टोकन ऑमनीस. The Serum token is the heart of the Stellar Armor's economy, empowering players to the build trader and the canary in the West universe as a utility token. Serum driving the in-games ecosystem by the enabling user to the 4 cases. You can see the 4 cases. So this is a 4 cases. You can see. Welcome my dear gate user. Welcome. Crypto I, thank you so much Crypto I and leave Rapunzel. What this time? You can see what this time. मैंने जाना है मून पर. यस यस क्रिप्टो आपकी तो टिकट पहले से ही बुक है मेरे पास. मी क्रिप्टो आप तो ब्रदर हैं. ब्रदर की टिकट तो ऑलरेडी बुक होती है. बिल्ड सिटीजन बिल्ड अक्रॉस. हमने जाना है जो अपने मून पे जाना है. मतलब आपको पता है वो कहाँ पर है. आपको मून क्या बादलों से बातें करवा कर आऊँगा जब लेके जाऊँगा. बिल्ड एक्यूरेसी कंसेंट्स. सो फिलेट्स मैनेजमेंट्स परचेज अपग्रेड मेंटेनेंस गवर्नर्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट्स गवर्नर्स ट्रेड एंड अर्न ट्रेड सेरम स्टेक एंड अर्न सेरम. थैंक यू सो मच. बट ये वाले मून पर नहीं, जो शादी के बाद जाते हैं वो वाला मून पर। यस यस यस, वो हनीमून होता है माय डियर, उधर नहीं लेके जा रहा मैं आपको। ये हमने रियल मून पे जाना है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। ये क्रिप्टो, अभी हमने मिल तो लेने दो ब्रो। ब्रो मिलेंगे हम, क्रिप्टो आई भी मेरे साथ आएंगे और शाइनिंग स्टार भी मेरे साथ होंगे, और क्रिप्टो मैकबुक भी। सो मी क्रिप्टो से हम चारों ने मुलाकात करनी है इंशाल्लाह। So allocation 40% game rewards, in game rewards for the quits, achievements and the players incentives. So crypto आई आपको रिसीव हो गया रिवॉर्ड्स। वेलकम हिबा। तो फाइनली आज हिबा ने भी रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। हेलो, हाउ आर यू हिबा? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। सो हिबा की भी बुकिंग हुई पड़ी है। मी क्रिप्टो आपको बताता चलूँ, हिबा की भी बुकिंग है। हिबा ने भी जाना है हमारे साथ कश्मीर। Allocation 20%, ecosystem development. So funding gaming development partnership part platform exhibition. So team and advisor. You can see allocation 15%. Allocation for the core, the team members and the strategic advisor. Allocation 10%. Public sale token available for the public purchase during token sale. So जिसने अपनी टिकट बुक करवानी है वो करवा सकता है। सो ऑनलाइन बुकिंग स्टार्ट हो गई है आज से। गुड टू सी यू माय डियर हिबा। वेलकम इलेक्शन। थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर हिबा। बहुत ही खुश कर देती हैं आप लाइव स्ट्रीम में आके। थैंक यू सो मच। क्रिप्टो आई रिपेंजल, गुड एंड कीप गोइंग रिपेंजल। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, वेलकम। माशाल्लाह, हिबा लड़का है या लड़की? ओहो, मी क्रिप्टो कैसी बात कर दी आपने, क्यों दिल तोड़ रही हैं? हिबा लड़की होती है मी क्रिप्टो, आप इनकी लाइफ में जाके देख लीजिएगा। बहुत ही अच्छी लाइव स्ट्रीमर हैं ये भी, और रिपेंजल भी। Private sale, allocation 5% allocated to the early investor and the strategic partner. So हिबा की भी टिकट बुक है मी क्रिप्टो। आप भी अपनी बुकिंग, आपकी तो बुकिंग ऑलरेडी है, हिबा की भी बुकिंग हुई पड़ी है। Liquidity and the rewards. Ensure liquidity and the user who stakes serum for rewards. So this is our reward. You can see the catching the stars, one milestone at the time. So you can see my dear me crypto. So ऐसे ही आपको चांद पे लेके जाना है। Yes, now it's your turn. Yes, my dear, now it's my turn. But you also welcome crypto zone. Welcome Serkan 51. So मैं सारे फ्रेंड्स को सपोर्ट करता हूँ और उनकी तारीफ लाजमी करता हूँ। रोड मैप, क्योंकि वो तारीफ के काबिल हैं। द सेटेलर armored roadmap outlines our journey to the stars from beta launch and the major updates to the token listing and the game expectations. Each milestone brings us closer to a fully impressive space. Concepts, experience, explore the cosmos managers, your fleets, and the sharp to the future of the galaxy with every key development. Thank you so much, Crypto. Repenzer, thank you so much for joining, and the best comments, Repenzer. Thank you so much. So meet our team. So this is a beautiful team, my dear. Welcome, my dear. You can meet the team. Thank you so much for joining, Gate user. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much, Crypto Queen One. वेलकम, लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपन नेक्स्ट। ओके रिपेंजल, आपको रिवॉर्ड रिसीव हुआ? ये बताएं। अभी अभी रिवॉर्ड्स मिला है, बेहतरीन रिवॉर्ड्स मिला है गेट वालों के साथ। सो दिस इज अ टीम, यू कैन सी द 4 मेंबर्स ऑफ टीम। Ting SU, the Chief Executive Officer. You can see the first, and Jenny Tay, Chief Operator Officer. So Trevor Kuchu, Chief Technology Officer. So Chiris Chain, Head of the Marketing. Welcome. Walaikum Assalam. Crypto Coin One. Thank you so much for joining live stream. How are you, my dear? Walaikum Assalam. कैसी हैं आप? क्रिप्टो कोइन वन, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम में देख के। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर। रिपेंजल, थैंक्स मिस्टर क्रिप्टो मैकबुक। सो रिपेंजल की तरफ से क्रिप्टो मैकबुक के लिए थैंक्स का मैसेज है। तो क्रिप्टो मैकबुक आ गए हैं वापसी। सो कॉन्टैक्ट अस, मीट और टीम्स contacts. Over location 160 Banks Roads as 140 and the Singapore. This is the address of your team. So now go to the my dear, this is a website and now go to the sale. I will show the sale. Thank you so much. Welcome gate user. Thank you so much for joining. मैं ठीक हूँ, अल्लाह पाक का शुक्र है. आप सुनाएं. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. क्रिप्टो क्वीन 1 मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ और आपको देख के तो ज़्यादा खुश. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. बहुत दिल खुश कर देती हैं आप लाइव स्ट्रीम में आने के बाद. तो मैकबुक आई एम फाइन एंड हाउ अबाउट यू? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much, gate user. So this is a sale. You can see the contact wallet. Fill out the amount serum. Now serum sale price 300. Serum BNB. Total sale supply 3.666. Remaining tokens 0 and token sold and 3.66. So this is all of sale. So this is a sale Stellar. So now go to the store. Store is coming soon. So now go to the white paper. This is official white paper. That's good to see you. Thank you so much. I am happy, Rapunzel, to see you in my live stream. Thank you so much for joining and comments here. So introductions. Over of Stellar Armament. Stellar Armament is a groundbreaking GameFi project that the invited players to explore the build and the dynamic and expressive universe filled with the endless possibility, combining elements of the city building, fleet management, and the strategic space context. Stellar Armada empower players to shape their own destinies in the richly detailed insurance world by the leveraging blockchain technology. The game introduction through ownership of the digital assets are the rewards in the game economy power the serum tokens and the players driving governance model that ensure the community in voice always. Thank you so much, Crypto Zone, Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much, Crypto I. Welcome. Now it's your turn, guys. I am going to do my own stream. Okay, Rapunzel. Okay, I will join my stream and end of the my stream. Okay, my dear. Thank you so much. So next one is mission and vision. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So Rapunzel, सब मेरे दोस्त आपकी live stream join करेंगे मेरी live stream खत्म होने के बाद. So क्रिप्टो आई आ गए हैं, बेहतरीन आ गए हैं मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में. बहुत ही खुश कर देते हैं, आते ही मेरे लिए कुछ ना कुछ गिफ्ट लेकर आते हैं. Mission and vision. Our mission is to create an immersive GameFi experience where players are not just. Let's see who can join my stream. Mr. Crypto Champion. My friends always join you, my dear. You know, Crypto I, Crypto MacBook, and also me. I have joined. So don't be tension. Our mission is to create immersive GameFi experience where the players are not just participant but the pioneer of the fantasy universe. Same to you. Thank you so much, gate user. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So क्रिप्टो आई जब तक हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है. We inviting the deregulation ecosystem where economy and the governance decision are is the head of the community, ensuring a fair, engaging, and the consulate involving giving impossible. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. So providing players with the unplugged opportunity to the build traders of the carry and the thriving space-based economy. Welcome. Let's see who can join. Welcome, Crypto MacBook. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much, Crypto Y, for the send me a gift. You can join my live stream and the send. Oh no, my dear Rapunzel. Crypto MacBook also join your stream. Crypto MacBook. Amrach, my dear. And support you. The need for a space-based GameFi ecosystem. The world of the GameFi rapidly evolving. You are there is the distinct lock of the game. That capture of the wonder and the scale and the space exploration to need for a space-based GameFi ecosystem and the clear players, clear advantage, scalability, and the ability to the shape bits. Interconnected world stellar armada fills to the game offering to a unique. So Rapunzel क्रिप्टो मैकबुक की तरफ से कमेंट्स आए आई विल ज्वाइन यू इंशाल्लाह थैंक यू सो मच सो क्रिप्टो Rapunzel ने मेरे रिप्लाई दे दिया है ओके थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम वेलकम ओके थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम so now go to the next one game Canpact and the lore Stellar Armada unfold in the universe blooming with the mystery opportunity and the untold power set in the destined future where humanity has the mystery interested travel players find themselves in a galaxy on the brink of the transformation with constantly uncharted planets and the accidents cosmic for the force linking tormented fluctuations for view for control and only the most strategic leaders can secure dynamic as a commander. You will lead your own armored build, advanced space citizen, manage powerful fleets and explore for the reach of the space to uncover height security establish on the legacy amounts to the सो क्रिप्टो मैकबुक की तरफ से बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स आ गया है क्रिप्टो आई की तरफ से मैं वेटिंग पर हूँ ऐसे ही कमाल के कमेंट्स की ऑनेस्टली यू आर बिल्ट for this. Your confidence, your vibe, everything is just on point. Keep it up. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much for joining live stream and the beautiful compliments. You also good streamer and keep it up. Doing great job. Thank you so much. Welcome Rapunzel. Welcome Rapunzel. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Mention you. Crypto I. Yeah, already mentioned you. यस सो क्रिप्टो आई थोड़ा सा बिजी थे इसलिए उन्होंने नहीं देखा आपका मैसेज वेलकम बैक क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस वेलकम विजिटर वेलकम टू गुड बाय वेलकम BTC लवर यस आई एम BTC लवर एंड आई एम GT लवर आल्सो game Canpact and the you can see the next one then the core gameplay maximize so My dear friends, Rapunzel and Crypto आई आपको रिवॉर्ड रिसीव हो गया है बताते जाएं मुझे थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम कीप शाइनिंग यू आर डूइंग अमेजिंग थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस वेलकम गेट यूजर वेलकम तल बदलो Stellar Armored offers a rich and strategic game player experience built around the following core measurements. So, city building and the resource management players can contact and the upgrade virtual cities on the newly diverse planets and the managing resource opportunity and the critical to the expanded US civilities and the purely your share I'm buying. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Okay, thanks. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. So, Explorer and the quiz travel across the universe to the device and the new planets, cosmic anvulars, and the valuable. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Player with the driving economies utilization in the game marketplace to the trade records, statistics, and the rare NFT to the economics interest, players driving securities, and the dynamic trading opportunity and the strategic partnership. So now go to the next one, key future and the objective. Truly ownership and the assets and the leverage in the blockchain technology players have a full ownership of their in-game assets including CTZ, flat and the NFT trader sales or the hold your assets at the value evolution over time. Strategic game every decision count from the city planning and the resource allocation to the fleet computers and the better citizen success require both the strategic version and the adaptability. Community governance player influx the direction of the game thought and the degenerations governance model difference purpose and the what key the updates ensuring that the game involves in the way of the benefits of the community. Thank you so much, Rapunzel. Thank you so much. Okay. You cannot receive. Why? You cannot receive the rewards. Images space the explorers and the embarked mission to the explore uncharted the user in space and encounter the aliens, the civilians, and the unlock for the and the release. Rewards in the game economy. The serum token fuel of the driving economy with the players are rewards. Third gameplay stake rewards for the positive economic and the engage strategic trading to the maximum their gains. So thank you so much for joining live stream. BTC lover, how are you my dear BTC lover? So finally BTC lover ने भी हमें मैसेज कर दिया. Thank you so much BTC lover my dear for joining my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Oxygen gainer, welcome my dear. So now go to the serum basic info. So this is the serum basic info I will told you my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So project name is Stella Armada. Takers is the serum official website. I will show you already. Token contracts address. This is address chain BSC. Maximum supply is 5.000.000.000 BSC scan, CMC scan, Telegram link, and Twitter link. So you can see the all link. Thank you so much my dear. Crypto Y, thank you so much my dear. So this time for hold my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream BTC lover. Serum token utility. The serum token is the backbone of the Stellar Armored is the game economic offering players. So hold on your assets my dear. अपने assets के मुताबिक आप इसको hold कर सकते हैं. ज़्यादा इसके ऊपर रिस्क लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं. Offering players multiplayer ways to the engage with the and the shape the universe. Its primary utility including building and upgrading citizen user serum tokens to the acquire records and the advance your planned cities controls and the cities infrastructure and the defense. Thank you so much. Okay everyone, now I am going. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Good to see you again my dear. So we meet in your stream. Rapunzel, thank you so much. Build and the upgrading and fleet management invest and upgrade your starship and fleets, ensuring you have the best armada and the dynamic your rebels and explore the galaxy. Welcome GO U10111. Why price is falling everyone every day. Welcome back Rapunzel. Thank you so much. So my dear friends, now I have complete the project. So अभी मैं प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ दोस्त. तो जब मार्केट करूँगा तो फिर आपके बारे में आपको इसके बारे में बेहतर बता सकता हूँ. Governance participation serum holders have a say. Game development sought the recognition governance proposed change board of the updates and explores the future of the Stellar Armors. क्योंकि आपका नुकसान ना हो इस वजह से. My dear BTC lover. Okay my dear, thank you so much. Rapunzel, bye everyone. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. So taking and the positive inclusive stake your serum tokens to earn rewards and the exclusive in-game benefits such as the rare items, fleets upgrade and additional governance powers. Welcome Crypto Doll, welcome back. Thank you so much. I am good. How about you? Thank you so much my dear. Thank you so much Rapunzel for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपने लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन किया. आई होप यू एंजॉय माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. रिपेंसल वेलकम गेट यूज़र, वेलकम क्रिप्टो डॉल, आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया वापसी आने के लिए. सो नाउ गो टू द टोकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लान. The total supply of serum is a fixed at 5.000.000.000 token distributed to the ensure a balance and the suitable in the game economy. Here is the breakdown. The game rewards 40% 0.2.000.000 token receivable for in the game rewards quits achievements and the innovative to the keep the players experience engaged and the rewarding. Ecosystem developments 20% 1.000.000.000 token allocated for the funding future game development, farming strategic partnership and the expanding the platform. Welcome Istanbul, welcome gate user, welcome MHMTH happy. Welcome Temu, welcome to join my live stream. Temu my friends again join. Team and advisor 15%, 750.000.000 token allocation to the core development team, the strategic advisor with the visiting schedule to the ensure long-term community. Public sale 10%, 500.000.000 token available for the purchase during the public sale, providing an opportunity for early adapter to the join the ecosystem. Private sale 5%, 250.000.000 token allocated to early investors and the strategic partner to the fund to the entire developments and the launch liquidity pools 5% to 50.000.000 token to ensure adoption liquidity on exchange and the in-game market price fluctuated. Small transaction staking reward 5% to 50.000.000 token as innovative for the player who stake their Serum token, encouraging community participation and the network security. Welcome Ripple Maria, welcome MHMT happy, welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the next one is staking reward and the maximize. Staking players are the proprietary rules in the Stellar Armada ecosystem, offering players a way to earn positive economic and exclusive benefits. The staking measurements include earn positive rewards. Players can staking Serum tokens to earn traditional tokens is a reward and supporting the network. The longer you stake, the higher your rewards. Unlock exclusive contents, stickers, gain across to the rare NFT, unique fields, upgrades, and the special mission available on to the staking community. Governance influencer staking Serum token increase your voting power, giving you. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. More influencer over imported game and ecosystem decision flexibility staking options. Choose for the version staking period with the different reward rates to the suit your strategic goals. The Serum tokens utility and staking maximize ensure an engaging and the rewarding experience for the player who also fostering the trading suitable for game economics. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. Welcome back, Crypto Princess. Welcome, Gore. Double 8, welcome to join my live stream. Resource management and city building. In Stellar Armada, manager recurring operating is the key established and the spending your established power build. Players must scatter and the utilize resources to the build and the upgrade future cities and the newly diverse parents concerns and the vital infrastructure such as the power. Welcome back, Crypto MacBook. Research labs and the defined system to ensure your citizenships and the VR well production balancing reviews resource production companies and the trade and culture to maintaining and the strong and the proposals abilities and computer support your constant adoption. Come to join my live stream. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook, for the gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much. Honor, welcome. Lutlo. Thank you so much. resource management and the city building. In Stellar Armada, management records resource efficiently in the key to establishing and the expanded your sellers empowering players must gather and the utilize resource to build and the upgrade fortune citizen on the newly discovered planets contracts vital infrastructure such as the power planets research lab and the defense system to the ensure your citizen thrive and the are welcome protections. Balancing resource production concerns and the trade in the circle to the maintaining are the strong and the purpose civilization and the complements and the support your cosmetic applications. Welcome gate users. So now go to the next one is the fleet management and the upgrades. Command and the powerful fleet and the starship and established for the explore and the defense and the concerts player as the purchase. Customers and the upgrade are the wide variety of the starship and the each with the unique artifacts and the abilities. Upgrade your fleet's weapons, armor and the technology to the stay as the rewards and the defense. Investor, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Defense your strategy. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, welcome. The gate user, welcome. TO, welcome. Strategic decision of the flats component and the combat technique determine the success in the battle and your ability to determine the galaxy every victory and the fleets and achievements bring you are close to the become the ultimate space commander. So now go to the next one is in-game marketplace and trading. There is the game marketplace in the Stellar Armada is the dynamic players driving economic where resource starship and the rare NFT can be both and the sold on the trade. Utilize the market to the gain strategic advisor within the buy account scores resource of the selling surplus assets or the serum tokens to the decentralization trading system empowering players to the make profit driven decision and the formal elections of derivatives for the influx to the game evolving ecosystem economic for the high value trader to the strategic for the marketplace offer endless opportunity to minimize your assets and expands your influx to in the galaxy. So now go to the next one is my dear. So holder is stop is a complete. So now go to the trading competition. Gate is currently holding in the Stella Armada Serum trading competition. Join Brout now at the share the 2.083.000 Serum reward price pool events period July 10, 2025. 7 July 17, 2025, 7 UTC. So click the join now button. You can see the official page of Serum. Second one, Stella Armored Serum Trading Competition is a live join and the share 2.083.000 Serum rewards. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So click the join now button. I have joined and I have registered on this event. Anyone ends in the 2 days and 21 hour and 43 minutes. So now go to the next one of this. So Gate is currently holding the Stella Armored Serum trading competition. Join the right now and the share 2.083.000 Serum reward prize pool. So number one, active one, race to the Serum trading leaderboards. So from 1.500.000 Serum price. During the event, user who have no less than the 3 lakh Serum spot trading volume can share the 1.500.000 per Serum reward based on the 3 Serum spot trading volume ranking. So this is a ranking reward minimum Serum. Welcome back, Crypto. I welcome also. Welcome Shakura 3434. Shakura, how are you? Rank 1. 150 lakh Serum rewards minimum Serum trading volume person. 9.000.000. Number 2 ranking 1 lakh 20,000 Serum 7.5 lakh 0.000. Number 3 ranking 60,000 Serum 3.500.000. 4 to 50 ranking equally share for 3 lakh Serum 4 lakh trading volume. Other users share 8 lakh 70,000 Serum based on spot trading volume per preparation. 5,000 each user. Welcome Bradley. Welcome Gate user. So Bradley ने भी हमें finally join कर लिया है. So Bradley is a great bowler of Australia. Active 2. Exclusive benefit for the newcomers. Share extra 3 lakh Serum reward during the events. New user who register and the reached spot trading volume of the 2,000 of future trading volume of 10,000 will receive a 850 Serum reward. The total prize pool is the 3 lakh Serum. First time come, first servers. So register now. You can register now, my dear. So third one, active, is the active. Invite friends. Welcome all Gate user. Share 283.000 Serum reference balance during the events. Invite our friends to the registered and the complete spot trading volume of 2,000 of future trading volume of 10,000 to earn 150 Serum reward. The more friends you invite, the more reward you can earn rewards and distribute on a first come first server basis. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Total reference rewards. So 1 to 5, 150 Serum person, 6 to 20, 250 Serum person, 20 above, so 400 Serum person. So this is the invite and you can see the notes. So this is the important notes you can see, my dear. So number 1, all participation need click the join now button and the complete identity verification before the events and to the be eligible for the rewards. Number 2, trading volume is equal to buy volume plus sale volume. Number 3, the total reward for this event in the 2.083.000 Serum rewards will be distributed within the 14 working days after the campaign ends. Number 4, the use of duplicate accounts and the any other cheating behavior such as the influxure of the trading volume, plug registration of the fake accounts, self-trading order, matching etc. are the static probability multiple accounts account with the same identity verification information will be treated as same account. Sub accounts cannot participate in the active accounts. Information verification accounts will be trading as the same account. Sub account participating in the active. Number 5. Market makers, corporate and institutional accounts, affiliates, agents accounts, and sub-affiliates accounts, sub-accounts account, the partners account, and the sub-partner accounts are not eligible to the participate in the events. Number 6 is the user. If the user in the other activities gets administrative job will only receive the reward from the active. Number 7. Where any dispensary across between the translate version and the original English version, the English version the shall prevail. Number 8. Gate receiver all rights for the final explanation. Number 9. This evidence Even is not affiliated with the Apple Inc. Number 10. User in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access the service, including the participation in these events or the competition. See the user agreement for the further details on the registered location. We do not integrate to the allocates on the contingent market towards customers in the such registered location. Welcome gate user, welcome Abu Al Anand. So now go to the third one, future of this project. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. So Simple Earn will launch extra serum rewards pool for the same 7 days USD fixed term product. And on July 10, 2025, subscription and enjoy a 10% bonus APR with a total APR of the up to 12%, a total of the 1.66.667 serum in extra rewards are available on a first come first service basis. So join now. This is the Simple Earn. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can see the subscribe to USD. So this is the subscription. You can see the this is one, and you can complete the serum. So I have balance. I have subscribed to USD. So Simple Earn principal protect flexible terms components interest 2.25 billion total leading USD 11.26 bonus EST point APR USD. Welcome Skyfall, welcome Kyugi, welcome visitor. So now go to the next one is market. This is a market and USD VIP bonus 12% flexible fix. BTC bonus is 5.88% flexible fix. ETH bonus. Welcome ICE Crypto Kit. ETH bonus is 6.84 flexible fix. GT bonus is 15.05, so it's flexible. So GT bonus is high. LA 6.26 flexible. AIN 150% flexible fix and ICNT is 3.94. Welcome back Crypto Princess, welcome gate user. So how to profit from Simple Earn? Number 1, create a leading offers incidental to process to the lead of your idle funds. Welcome back. Oof, क्या हुआ, गर्मी लग गई क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस को? उफ कहा है क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ने. थैंक यू सो मच. वेलकम ब्रोटो वाली, thank you so much for the sending me. Number 2, successful matching system match your leading offer with the boring need is the market. गुड मॉर्निंग क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस की मॉर्निंग हो गई है, सो मुबारक हो आप सबको. वेलकम, गुड मॉर्निंग क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. Number 3, components interest. Earn components interest after your assets on the borrowed successful. So Crypto Princess, आपको कितना गिफ्ट मिला बताते जाएं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. गिफ्ट रिसीव हो गया आपको? सुना है इस दफा आपको गिफ्ट डबल रिसीव हो गया है. FAQ. So this is the FAQ on the Simple Earn. What is the Simple Earn? Thoughtgate Simple Earn. You can profit from more the 800 cryptocurrency and the unless the potential of your investment portfolio specifically you the can subscription. Thank you so much for the scooter. Broto Valley. Welcome my dear. How are you? Broto Valley. Thank you so much. Thank you so much my dear for joining live stream. You can subscribe to the flexible terms and fix the term protect to the earn returns for the with crypto assets. So number 2, how is the interest of the simple and flexible terms calculated and distribution? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Your subscription to the Gate Simple and Flexible Teamwork when the working capital loans business of the platform, the system will the lend your funds to the other user and the interest guaranteed will be distributed to the you as the announcements return of the subscription. Returns of the your Welcome Biba. Welcome my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome my dear Biba. How are you? If your assets are borrowed at the o'clock, you will receive the interest earned and during the following hour at the T1 hour. However, you have to redeem your assets before the redeem both principal and the interest and the redemption. Thank you so much, my dear Biba. Welcome to join my live stream, Broto Wali. Welcome. So, मेरे द्वारे दोस्त मेरे वापसी आ गए. Thank you so much, Biba. How are you? Thank you so much. So, the current estimate APR is the lowest APR which the simple and funds can be successful match where the leading and the earning returns and the calculated based on the historical data and current market borrowing. Demand, thank you so much for the chucha. Protoboli ne bheja hai chucha. Thank you so much. Visitor, thank you so much. Good to see you, Biba. How are you, Biba? My dear. So how is the interest of the simple and fixed to the terms calculated and the distributions? After successful subscription, interest will be the calculated at the APR at the same time subscription thought the time of the start of the across the 00 to the next day. Both of the interest and the principal will be the credit to your sports accounts or unified accounts after the order reached marital. How to the redeem? Welcome, Biba. Welcome back, my dear Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much. I am good, my dear. Good to see you to join my live stream. How to redeem? Simple and flexible team allows for the real-time redemption. However, with the processing to the many redemption across there with the made to the daily in the assets. Simple or flex to the team allows for the flexible redemption before to the order reached by the mutual. However, early redemption will result in the loss of the all accruals interest the principal will the returns to the spot accounts. On unified account, spot submits the redemption request. So number 5 and the last of guide to the simple one. The course will be help to the master of the basis of the gate simple and including the future and the profit models. After learning this, the course you will be able to the set to parameters of the simple and realistic according to the your owners need to the market exhibition, grow your crypto assets and the minimize capital efficiency. Go to the learn. Thank you so much. So now go to the final remarks of this project. So project introductions, my dear friends, you can see the project introductions. सो क्रिप्टो आई की तरफ से बहुत ही खूबसूरत मैसेज आ गया, बहुत ही बेहतरीन. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन व्हेन यू डू लाइव स्ट्रीम people listening activated because your stream is offer very high quality. You are beautiful and knowledgeable stream. Thank you so much my dear crypto भाई, दिल ही खुश कर दिया. एक ही दिल है, कितनी बार जीतेंगे आप. थैंक यू सो मच. पहले आपने दोस्तों के लिए गिफ्ट भेजा और शुरू कर दिया. वेलकम माय डियर. वेलकम वाई बेसर माय डियर. वाई बेसर हाउ आर यू? वाई बेसर योर फ्रेंड बीबा इज हियर. Stella Armada is the innovative GameFi project that bringing together strategic city building, fleet management, and the impressive glitching explosions and the decentralization player on it ecosystem by the combining high quality game player with blockchain technology. Stella Armada give the players so ownership of their assets and the ability to the earn real rewards thought Serum token. In December 2024, Stella Armor successful secure the private sale with the Loman chain capital rising 3 lakh at the token price for the 0.0005 Serum. The funding mark the major milestone for the Stella Armor, enabling for the team to the arithmetic game developments, enhance the blockchain integration and the expand community and the engagement by the partnering with the top layer breakers like Loman chain capital. Stella Armor is well positioned to the deliver and the groundbreaking play to the Ken Curry experience and the build are the driving and company around space exploration and the strategic game player. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Welcome, Biba. Thank you so much. So, yes, my dear Biba, your friends, Vibesar is here. So, note there may be dispensary between the original content in the English and the any translator version. Please refer to the original English version for the most accurate information in the case differences across. So, Gate Team July 9, 2025. So, crypto. Gateway to crypto trade over 3.600 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on the gate. Take action now. Sign up and the claiming up to the 10,000 welcome rewards. Invite friends and the earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit the official website. Download the Gain app. Follow us on X or join the Telegram and engage with the global community. Transparency and the security. Check over 100% proof over receiver. Thank you so much, my dear Brothwali, for joining and the comments here. So दोस्तों ये था मेरा प्रोजेक्ट Serum, Cetila Armored Serum, Event Bundle, Holder Airdrop, Trading Competition, सिंपल अन सो ये इसके सारे पॉइंट्स है जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको एक एक करके बताया। बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका ज्वाइन करने का मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम को और एंड तक के बना रहने के लिए। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर ग्रोथ वाली क्रिप्टो आई, क्रिप्टो मैकबो, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्सल लेडी, बीबा, क्रिप्टो डॉल एंड मी क्रिप्टो हिबा। जिन जिन दोस्तों ने मुझे कमेंट्स किए, गेट यूज़र, उन सबका बहुत शुक्रिया। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। तो बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब दोस्तों का आने का, मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम का ज्वाइन करने का। मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम के बाद क्रिप्टो भाई अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन करेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे। सो उनकी लाइव स्ट्रीम आप सब ने ज्वाइन करनी है। सो आपसे मुलाकात होगी कल एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। सो तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। बहुत सारी दुआओं के साथ इजाज़त चाहूँगा माय डियर ऑल फ्रेंड्स। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। सो गुड बाय, good afternoon, god bless you all of my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream, all of you again. So Allah Hafiz and goodbye all of you my dear friends. Thank you so much my dear, thank you so much for joining live stream MJ30, welcome to join my live stream. So इसकी मैंने आपको वेबसाइट पेज और ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट सब कुछ दिखाई। ये थी इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम, वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच। तो अब आपसे मुलाकात होगी कल एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। सो तब तक के लिए इजाज़त चाहूँगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़, गुड बाय, वेलकम माय डियर एंड थैंक यू सो मच बीबा, ऑलवेज गुड ब्रॉडकास्ट। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स। आपने जाते जाते दिल खुश कर दिया और बहुत ही खूबसूरत कमेंट करके रुकने पे मौजूद कर। गुड बाय अगेन माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू।